You've probably seen these kinds of smooth map animations in Vox or Johnny Harris videos. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this exact style inside After Effects using GeoLayers 3, just like the one you're watching right now. And don't worry, this is a beginner-friendly tutorial. Even if you've never used GeoLayers 3 or After Effects before, you'll be able to follow along easily. So first of all, enable the GeoLayers 3 extension. Go to Window, then Workspace, and select GeoLayers 3. After that, you will see this panel here. Go to New Project and create a new Mapcomp. Zoom into the location and click on Next. Now here you will get to see different map styles. You can choose any style. I am selecting this one. It's called S3. If you again click on it, you get an option to choose more different styles. I'm selecting this World Physical style. Click on Apply. Then click on Create. This will create a map comp. Now as you can see, the quality is not good, so click here on this Finalize button to enhance quality. From here you can zoom in, zoom out, and adjust the position. So I'm animating USA, so I have zoomed it to here. Now here in the search bar, type the country name. Now go to this pen icon to draw its feature and click on it. It will create a shape layer with country's shape. Now select the layer and change its color. I'm selecting a light blue color. Press P while the layer is selected and change its opacity to 50%. Select the layer again and press Ctrl+D to duplicate the layer. Now go to Add, then Stroke, turn off the fill, and set the stroke value. Increase its opacity from 50% to 100%. I am setting the stroke width to 2. Now we will add the states. Go to the search bar and search the location name. Here you can see it now. Click on the Draw Features option. Select the layer and change its color and set its opacity to 50%. Now to add location name label, again go here, and here you will see Add Label option. Click on it. This will automatically add a label to it. I'm adding one more state. The process is same, and you can add many locations. Just repeat the same process. I'm fast forwarding this part. Now add text, write country's name, and place it in the center of the map. Go to its opacity property and change it to 50%. Now hold and drag this line from here to World Mapcomp Anchor. This will link it to the map and the text will move along with the map. Now we'll add motion to the map. Select the World Mapcomp layer, then go here. You will see a keyframe option. Click here. It will expose its keyframes in the timeline. We have to make keyframes here, and I will tell you the easy way here that will make automatic keyframes first. Go 1 second forward, then go to this search bar, search the location. Here you can see the Fit View option. Click on it. Now it will automatically zoom in and make a keyframe in the timeline. And if you want to adjust it manually, you can drag here and adjust the position and zooming. And now it looks like this. Now again, go 1 second forward and paste the same keyframes. Again, go to next second and search for another location. Click on Fit View icon. See, it has made keyframes automatically. Place the stroke layer at the top of all layers, and now it looks like this. Now place the playhead at the next second and copy the starting keyframes and paste it in the end. This will make the zoom out effect, basically returning back to the same position. But before that, we have to paste the previous keyframes here to stay zoomed in for 1 second. Now go to the next second and paste the starting keyframes. And now it will look like this. Now here are 2 more properties in the keyframes, bearing and pitch. You can also keyframe them to make more advanced motions. You can play with the values and check out yourself. I'm adding keyframes in the pitch because it gives a 3D look in the map, and now it looks like this. And it's done. It's that easy. You can add more locations, the process is same. Now you can create your own map animations just like this. I'll be uploading more tutorials on map animations, so make sure to like the video and subscribe to stay updated. If you want to learn how to add flags in map animations, I've already made a video on that. You can check it out from here. And if you have any questions or doubts, just drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help.